The formation of the Moon. One of the earliest and most transformative impacts in Earth's history is believed to have given birth to the Moon. Over 4 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object named Theia collided with the young Earth in a catastrophic event. The impact was so immense that debris from both bodies was flung into space, eventually coalescing to form the Moon. This event not only shaped Earth's orbit but also set the stage for stable seasons and tides, both crucial for the development of life. The Moon's gravitational pull stabilized Earth's axial tilt, preventing extreme climate variations that could have hindered the emergence of complex life. It also influenced oceanic tides, creating intertidal zones that became rich habitats for early life forms. Without this colossal collision, Earth's environment might have remained hostile and unstable for billions of years. This ancient impact left traces not only in the Moon's composition, which is remarkably similar to Earth's mantle, but also in the scars hidden within our planet's crust. The Moon continues to serve as a record of the early solar system, its cratered surface preserving evidence of countless collisions that shaped not just Earth, but the entire inner solar system. As we gaze at the Moon, it's fascinating to think that its very existence is a product of a cataclysmic asteroid impact. This celestial dance between Earth and its closest neighbor remains a reminder of the cosmic forces that continue to shape our world.